Ready to send more money with peace of mind? Let's dive into how to verify your Worldremit account. A simple process that unlocks higher transaction limits and ensures your money transfers are secure. First, log into your Worldremit account. You can easily do this by entering your login credentials, which include your email address and password, into the appropriate fields and clicking Login. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option like Profile or Account Verification. This section is usually located in the top right near your profile icon. After finding your account settings and selecting it, there should be an option similar to Account Verification to start the process. Next, you'll be prompted to submit documents to verify your identity. The process will require you to provide some form of identification, like a governmentist ID, a passport, or a driver's license. Select the type of document you are going to submit, and make sure to have the documents prepared before continuing. When taking photos of your documents, ensure they're clear, well lit, and the entire document is visible. Avoid blurry images or those with glares, as these can slow down the verification process. Worldremit needs a clear image to verify your document quickly. After selecting the documents you want to send, follow Worldremit's instructions to upload the image file. This step usually involves clicking an upload button or using a drag and drop feature. Review your document image to ensure it's clear before submitting it. Finally, submit your documents. After submission, you'll typically see a confirmation message, and you'll get a notification once your account is successfully verified. This usually takes a few hours or a few days, depending on the volume of requests, and that's it. Now your Worldremit account is more secure, and you can send more with confidence.